What if I told you a black powder could save your life, stop food poisoning, and even whiten your teeth, all naturally? I'm talking about activated charcoal, a fine, odorless powder that's been used for centuries and is still a staple in modern medicine. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful, science-backed reasons to keep it in your home and how to use it safely. Picture this. You've just finished a meal, but soon after you're hit with waves of nausea, stomach cramps, and that sinking feeling something isn't right. Food poisoning and stomach bugs can strike when you least expect it, leaving you feeling miserable and desperate for relief. But there's a simple remedy you might already have at home: activated charcoal. When you take activated charcoal, it acts almost like a powerful magnet inside your digestive system, attracting and trapping toxins, bacteria, and even some chemicals before your body can absorb them. This unique property makes it incredibly useful in those first crucial hours after you start feeling sick. The charcoal binds tightly to these harmful substances, preventing them from causing further damage. It then safely escorts them out of your body through your digestive tract, helping to reduce symptoms like nausea, bloating, and discomfort much faster than waiting it out. That's why many healthcare professionals recommend activated charcoal as a first-line defense for mild cases of food poisoning or stomach bugs. It's a trusted remedy that's been used for decades in both homes and hospitals. To use it, simply mix the powder into a glass of water or take it in capsule form, always with plenty of fluids. Just remember, don't take it at the same time as other medications, since it can interfere with how your body absorbs them. While activated charcoal is a great tool for mild to moderate digestive upsets, it's not a cure-all. If your symptoms are severe, persistent, or accompanied by high fever, always seek medical attention right away. But for those sudden, less serious stomach troubles, it can be a real game-changer. Keeping activated charcoal in your medicine cabinet means you're prepared for unexpected digestive emergencies. It's quick, easy to use, and can make a big difference when you need relief fast. In emergency rooms, activated charcoal is a go-to treatment for certain poisonings and overdoses. It's a black, odorless powder that might not look impressive, but it can make a huge difference in critical situations. When someone arrives at the ER after ingesting a dangerous substance, time is of the essence, and activated charcoal is often one of the first lines of defense. It works by rapidly absorbing drugs or toxins in the stomach, trapping them so they can't be absorbed into the bloodstream. This simple action can help prevent the poison from spreading throughout the body, giving doctors a crucial window to act. This buys precious time for life-saving interventions, such as administering antidotes or providing advanced supportive care. Every minute counts, and activated charcoal can slow the effects of many toxins. But remember, never try to treat a serious overdose at home. Always call emergency services first, as only trained professionals can determine the safest and most effective treatment for each situation. In rare cases, dispatchers may guide you to use activated charcoal while waiting for help to arrive. But this is only under specific circumstances and with clear instructions. Activated charcoal isn't effective for all poisons, such as alcohol or heavy metals. But for many common medications and household toxins, it's a critical tool that can save lives when used correctly. Think of it as a bridge to professional care, a temporary measure that helps until experts can take over, not a replacement for emergency medical attention. Activated charcoal isn't just for emergencies. It's a natural way to whiten teeth and freshen breath, harnessing the power of nature for your oral care routine. This fine black powder has been used for centuries for its ability to bind to toxins and impurities, making it a popular choice for those seeking a more holistic approach to dental health. Its mild abrasiveness and impressive absorption power help lift stubborn surface stains from everyday culprits like coffee, tea, and wine, which can leave your teeth looking dull or discolored over time. Activated charcoal can also help balance the pH in your mouth, creating an environment that's less friendly to harmful bacteria. This means it not only helps reduce bacteria that cause bad breath, but may also support overall gum health and a fresher mouth. For best results, use it a few times a week as a supplement to your regular toothpaste. Gently brush in small circles, allowing the charcoal to work its magic without being too abrasive. Don't overdo it. Using charcoal too often can wear down enamel, so moderation is key. Always check with your dentist if you have concerns or sensitive teeth. You can find activated charcoal in specially formulated toothpastes, or use the loose powder directly. But be prepared for a little mess at the sink. It's all part of the natural process. The result? A brighter, cleaner, and more confident smile. Naturally and without harsh chemicals. Gas and bloating after a big meal? Activated charcoal can help. It traps gas molecules in your digestive tract, reducing pressure and discomfort. Studies show it can significantly cut down on bloating and cramps when taken before or after gas-producing foods. It doesn't interfere with digestion, just manages the byproducts. Take it before a heavy meal or as soon as symptoms hit for quick relief. It's a natural alternative to over-the-counter gas remedies. Enjoy your favorite foods without the aftermath. Relief is just a capsule away. Activated charcoal is also a powerful topical remedy. As a face mask, it draws out oil, dirt, and bacteria, helping clear acne and blackheads. For bug bites or stings, a charcoal paste can reduce swelling and itching by pulling out irritants. Just mix the powder with water, apply and cover for a few hours. It's gentle, natural, and effective for sensitive skin. Perfect for your first aid kit or summer adventures. Soothe your skin naturally. 5 reasons. 1 simple remedy. Activated charcoal deserves a spot in your home. From food poisoning to whiter teeth, gas relief to skincare, it's a versatile, affordable tool. Keep it in your medicine cabinet or first aid kit for life's little emergencies. Empower yourself with natural solutions. Add activated charcoal to your home remedy kit today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.